Hey guys, today I have the Chic beauty box for the month of November, December. This is a unboxing and try on, so I will have timestamps for you down below. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melissa. I do beauty videos, a lot of unboxings on here, so I'd love to have you stick around if you can hit that little red button and subscribe. Also, I do have social media if you want to follow me down below. I do a lot of beauty reels and little makeup videos on Instagram, and it's all mostly like wearable stuff that you could actually wear out. It's not like extreme Instagram makeup, so follow me if you would like down below. Anyway, so let's go ahead and jump in. I thought it was super cute that it came like this. This was what the bag looked like. It was like literally a Christmas gift, so I thought that that was super cute. And then when I opened the box, it's a red box like this. So it did come with a little card, which I really enjoyed, and it says November December box, and it tells you the 2 different variations that they have and the total of each one and the price points. So the one that I got is variation number 2. And a lot of times you get to choose a lot of the, what's it called? Like you get to choose and customize a lot of the products. So you actually tell them like, hey, I like this, I like that, etc. So the first thing in here is the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go. This is a skin protecting SPF 25. I really wanted this, so this was something that I picked, and this is worth $35. I'm always looking for a good SPF. This smells like coconut, very lightweight, but it did feel a little bit greasy, and you guys will see that in the try on portion, like the way it kind of glowed on my face. Next thing in here is the Yves Saint Laurent Baby Doll Kiss and Blush. This is $40. I can't even believe this is $40 because I would not pay that. This is the color that I got, and it's the shade number 12. Oh, so it's not called Baby Doll. I say in the try on portion that it's called Baby Doll. This is just number 12. Baby Doll is actually the name of the formula. So this is a very like neutral moussey kind of texture, and you can use it on your cheeks or your lips. I used it on my cheeks a little bit. I like it, but I don't absolutely love it. I'll have to continually play with it. I do like the way it looks kind of on my lips, so I will be playing around with that. But very like, it's a nice product. I was curious about YSL, but sometimes, you know, I feel like some brands are overhyped, and I feel like YSL is one of those. Like their packaging is to die for, but sometimes I've tried certain things from them and I'm like, meh. Okay, so next thing in here is the NYX Off Tropic eyeshadow palette, which is actually what I have on my eyes. This is the look that I did with it. I feel like a little tropical baby. I used a lot of these shades, and there are a lot of bright shades in here. You get you get like 4 shimmers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 mattes. So that is what the palette looks like. A very fun palette. I haven't used NYX in a hot minute, and I was really pleasantly surprised at the pigmentation, the blendability. It looks really nice on the eyes. So yeah, I didn't have any issues with it at all. Really nice palette. NYX is known for like being a good drugstore brand, so this one is really nice. And this one is called the Shifting Sand, is the Tropic palette that I got itself. So really pretty little palette. This is $20. Next up is it's called, what is the Revlon Color Burst Balm Stain. This is worth $9.99. The shade that I have is Mystic Magenta, and it's actually what I have on my lips. So yeah, I was like bright with bright. And then they also sent this. I had to actually cut it out of here because it wouldn't come out. This is the Face Studio brush by Maybelline. It's a nice little synthetic brush. I wish it was like more tapered and controlled. I really don't like my blush brushes to be this big, so I don't think this is something that I'm going to keep. Not really my style for cheeks, because as you can see here, when I use that brush, it's just way too big for my cheeks, and I don't really care for that. I like more of a concentrated area, not so much as like all over the place. And then the last thing, oh, this was $10.99 and no, $9.98. Oh my god, I can't read. They also had the contour, and the contour is $10.99, and this one is the powder one, so this one is $9.98. Oh, damn, I feel stupid now. This is a powder brush, no wonder it's so big. Okay, so I will retract my statement and try to use this with powder because mama used it for blush. No wonder it's so big for my cheeks. Duh. And then yeah, that was everything that I had in here. And then when you first like applied to Chic Beauty, you can sometimes use a coupon code, and they actually forgot to send me this last month, which was my free gift or whatever. And this is from Too Faced. This is the Perfect Eyes waterproof eyeliner in the shade Perfect Moss, which is actually what I have in my waterline. It's that green. It's absolutely beautiful, really nice. I don't know how much this is worth or whatever, but overall really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the try on portion and then give you guys my final thoughts. We're gonna start the try on portion with Too Faced. I'm so happy that this came because this was one of the main things that I wanted. This is the Hangover Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25. I love a good SPF. And I really wanted to try this one out because I love the primer, the coconut one. Okay, if it would squirt out. Okay, there it goes. So it's white. We'll see. I'm a little down on one hand, but we'll and it smells just like the other one. I know some people aren't fond of that smell, so that just depends on your preference. It smells kind of like coconuts with a little bit of SPF. Ooh. Okay, I love the fact that it doesn't give a white cast because that's something with SPFs. Okay, let me change my mirror around because it's being a butthole. Okay, yeah, I can definitely smell the SPF a little bit, but no white cast, which I like. It is a little bit luminous, a little bit of luminosity to my skin, so that is something that you have to watch out for. I do have drier skin, so I don't think I will have a problem with it, but if you have oily skin, this might not be your best bet because I can already see that it's gonna make someone who has oily skin a little bit more oily. So let's see if there's anything else in here that I can try on. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on, and then you know what, I'm gonna put on my primer. So I'm gonna put some eye primer and then we're gonna jump into this palette. Ooh, let's play, mama. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and play with this bad boy. This is the NYX Off Tropic. I literally don't own any NYX palettes right now. So this is, I think I used to own like their single ones and their little pigments, but I've never bought a actual palette if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, she is pretty. So I kind of want to play with that green and that pink. Yes, that is looking, yes. So that's what we're going to go for. I'm going to start out, and these don't have names, so I'm just going to start off with this mustard color right here. And I'm going to take Miss Payay because I love her. I absolutely am such a child, but I don't care. I absolutely love Disney and all kinds of childhood things. I think like in my heart I want to remain a child. I love the saying by Peter Pan, never grow up. Oh, that is pigmented. The next shade that I'm going to go into is going to be that pink shade. I think I'm going to use that on the outer part of my lid, just really make this a bright look. We shall see if all these shades go together because sometimes I can just make a hot mess. Hopefully I'm not blocking your view because I've done that once or twice and had to edit out. But I am a one-woman show right here. Next, I'm going to go in with that bright green that was really calling my attention and see. Hopefully I don't get too much fallout. And just apply some of that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I love that. Let's see if we can blend it into the pink. I really want to get back into playing with colors and just adding a lot of more life into my looks. I've been trying to play more with color on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me, what you waiting for? And I'm just gonna clean up the brow bone area with this matte cream color right here. Sorry, my My hands are jacked up. Like this bright wrist. Thankfully, I'm going to the doctor tomorrow because I've been in pain all day. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my makeup and then we'll do a little bit of color on the under eye. I think I'm gonna go either with the purple or one of these oranges underneath there, and then even put a pop of the other orange on the inner corner. I'm just gonna go all out. All out. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my foundation. We're gonna use this orange shade right here. I just thought I would pop that on the inner corner just to give a little bit of oomph to the look. Hopefully I don't regret this decision because I actually like lighter colors in the inner corner, but I don't really have one to choose from, so we're gonna go with this one. Okay, it's like I feel like a little parrot with all these colors. And then underneath the lash line, I'm gonna go with the matte orange. Okay, so just going in with that matte orange underneath. Next thing that I'm gonna use is my free gift, which was this Too Faced pencil in Perfect Moss, and I'm just gonna see what it looks like. Hopefully it's pigment. Oh, that's pretty. And then I'll finish my other eye off camera. And then I got this blush brush, which it's stuck in this little bag. I don't know why they did this. Like you can't pull it out. So I'm actually gonna have to like break it, and then I'm gonna sterilize it a little bit with a little bit of alcohol. Okay, so I added just a little bit of alcohol more or less on this, and then we're gonna take the YSL Kiss and Blush. And this is in the shade Baby Doll. Yeah, number 12, Baby Doll. And that is what it looks like. I've never used one of this. It seems like it's one, what's it called? Yeah, it seems like it is a cream blush. I have a little bit of bronzer, so I'm just going to tap some on there, not too much just in case, and then I'm just going to use this to blend it out. Oh, that's very natural looking. That's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to apply a tad bit more and then blend it out. And then you could actually use this on your lips if you wanted to. So let's just see. Yeah, that's a very neutral shade, if you can see that. Just very, very neutral. I think I would use this a lot more as a lip than on the cheeks. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I'm going to fix this with a little bit of powder. And then the last thing in here is the Revlon Balm Stain. And this is in the shade Mystic Magenta. And we're just gonna go with it because I am all about brights today. Apparently, I feel like Rainbow Bright, which is a reference to my age because Rainbow Bright is like from the, God, like from the 80s. Try this out and see what it looks like. It smells very minty. I think I used to have one of these. I'm gonna finish off my eyes, do lashes, and we'll come back with my final thoughts. So this is the finished looks, and my final thoughts are that I really feel like this is a great box. The total on here is $122.99, which is definitely worth the value. I pay 40 something including the shipping. I feel like if I was to pay 35, I might justify it, but bumping it up to 40 something with the shipping is kind of what deters me from keeping myself subscribed to this box. That's the only kind of like little issue that I have with it, is the shipping. Hopefully at some point they'll be able to include shipping in the price because, you know, it really is a great box. And I love the fact that they kind of have a little bit of drugstore, a little bit of high end, and you get to really customize your box, which is amazing. But like I said, I'm paying 40 something dollars, and if I think about it, with Boxy Luxe, I pay $50. I don't pay shipping, and then I get almost like, I think like close to $300 or more in products. So that's what kind of has me like, Another thing is that I feel like a lot of you guys aren't really watching these videos as well. The first one that I posted, I think only maybe I got 500 views. So yeah, so that's another thing. Like I want to also do content that you guys want to watch. So yeah, in general, I do really like this box. I think I will be playing around with everything that came in the box. I love the look. I look like a little, I don't know, tropical parrot or something. But overall, I do like the look. I like what came in the box. Is just seriously, I'm not going to continue paying $40 something. I already have a crap ton of makeup as it is. And I do a lot of unboxings on here, so I think this is going to be my last one. Let me know what you guys think down below. You can subscribe if you're not subscribed. I do quite a bit of unboxings, including like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, etc. I'd love to hear from you down below. You can follow me on my social medias down below. I do beauty videos on my Instagram, and then I have a Disney one as well if you're interested in any of those. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.